Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet with a credit card. Open Trust Wallet, tap Buy, select Bitcoin, choose Credit Card, enter the amount, and confirm the purchase. I will walk through verification, fee comparison, and safety tips so you can buy without surprises. Stay calm, follow each step, and double-check wallet addresses and amounts to avoid mistakes during the process. Start by opening Trust Wallet and updating the app if needed. Tap Buy, choose Bitcoin, then pick Credit Card and enter the amount you want to spend. The app shows rate and fees, review those carefully. Follow on-screen prompts for ID verification and card entry. Confirm the transaction and wait for the Bitcoin to appear in your wallet. I'll also cover safety checks and what to do if something goes wrong. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation. For hectic crypto days, I use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep food neat and my desk clean. They're great for on-the-go trading sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Fees and safety matter more than speed when buying crypto with a credit card. Compare providers for the best rate, watch for hidden fees, and remember that credit card purchases may incur cash advance charges. Use a private network, enable biometric security, and never share your seed phrase or private keys. Keep receipts and screenshots for support, and contact the provider promptly if a transaction fails or seems suspicious.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.